Hey, welcome to another episode of Financial Theory. Let's talk today about why you keep on failing and how to actually change that. Now, here's the thing, most people want to be successful, right? They want to be rich, they want to be famous, they want to have the hot girls, the mansions, the cars. But here's the thing, wanting something is very easy. Anyone can want something. The reason you have been a failure to this point is because you've been asking yourself the wrong questions. Most people ask, what do I want? How do I become successful? Those are the wrong questions to be asking. Instead, you should be asking yourself, who do I want to become? How can I bring more value to other people? Now, these are the correct questions to be asking. Did you notice that everything changes as soon as you start to ask the right questions? Your perspective changes. It becomes less about you. You become less selfish and you become more thinking about other people, how you can help other people. The questions, what do I want? How do I become successful? These are very selfish questions. When you ask, how can I create value for other people? You are trying to help other people. You're putting other people first. You are thinking about helping other people. When you ask, who do I want to become today? This means that you're open to change, learning, and improving. This makes you extremely dangerous and highly valuable in the market. The thing is, results don't come from changing, results come from becoming. But the real question is, are you willing to make the sacrifices needed? Are you willing to go through the many years of pain and hard work without seeing any results? To break the bad habits holding you back? To change from a weak mentality to an unbreakable one? To change who you are fundamentally as a person? To become smarter, wiser, more knowledgeable? If you answered yes, then nothing can stop you.